Hi, I'm Karen Little. I've been teaching art in Texas schools for 18 years. This is my 7th year at Alvin High School. I'd like to share a little bit with you about myself. I'm not originally from Texas. I grew up here. This is a picture of me and my brothers when I was about 4. Can you guess where I'm from? Yep, Saudi Arabia is where I grew up. The peninsula between Africa and Asia, right on the Gulf Coast, in a little tiny town called Ras Tanura. Here's me and my family camping when I was just a little bit out in the desert. This is the town I grew up on. As you can see, it was very beautiful, right on the Arabian Gulf with white sand beaches. That's me when I was 18 years old. I went to a high school called Stevenson School in Pebble Beach, California. And after that, I went to Texas Lutheran University, where I got my degree in studio art. These are my beautiful children. I have 3 great kids who are now in high school, middle school, and 1st grade. And these 2 crazy dogs live with us too. That's Penny and Piper. In my free time, I make pottery, functional pottery, pieces that I can show and exhibit in galleries, and also sculptural pottery that I show in a studio downtown Houston called the Hardy and Nance Studio. There's some of my pieces that are sculptural as well as functional pottery. In addition to making pottery, I do a lot of community art activities like the Via Calori Street Painting Festival. There's some pictures of some murals that we've done on the streets of Houston to raise money for the Center for Hearing and Speech. Every year I like to take a group of kids and participate in this great community service event. I also make art for charity, like this piece that I made for an auction, and these large hearts that I was commissioned to make for the American Heart Association. You might have seen some of the tile murals that my students and I have made at Alvin Public Library. These were made in our ceramics classes and installed over the course of several years. When I'm not making art and spending time with my family, I love to travel. Here's a picture of me when I was in Barcelona, Spain. And here's a group of kids that I took to New York City on an educational trip. So that's a little bit about me. You can find all kinds of information about my classes on my website, but I just wanted to say hi, introduce myself, and I'm so looking forward to working with you this year.